Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a few minutes and I thought it was easier to try to put this in a video than send it in an email. But I wanted to take a couple minutes and talk to you about the guide just for a minute. For those that came to orientation, I talked to you about it then, but there's a number of people who didn't make it to orientation, so I wanted to share. But our guides are running behind, and something happened with printing. But when they do come, I just wanted to show you kind of what I did with it. This is a 2-inch binder that I have the guide in right now, and you can see there is plenty of space. I probably could put it in a 1-inch binder. And I might have a few extras of those if anybody needs a 1-inch binder. I might have some, so you can let me know, and if I do, I'm happy to share one with you. But this is not the guide for this year. This is actually last year's guide, but I just stuck it in here. Some of it is going to go in Caroline's binder for class, which I'll show you. But I just wanted to take a couple minutes and go through and tell you how to know what is due in class each week and what they need to do at home. So this is what the 2-page spread looks like for the first week of class. Like I said, this is last year's, but it looks like this. And then you'll see as you go through, there's week 2, week 3, and so on. So when you're looking at the week spread, they've got this bold, darkened area that separates each seminar or each strand. And then it tells you at the top what you do at home. And that is what you do at home prior to coming to class. So for week 1, that's week 1 in class. So at home means what you need to do before you come to the first class. So if you read that, it tells you if you have something due for class that week. Then it shows what we're going to do in community that day. So if you ever miss class one week, it shows you what did we go over in community. You can look and see and take on that teaching role you already have and see what you need to go over with your child because they were not in class that day. So you'll see that. So check that out. I have a big email I've written up, and I'm waiting to add a few links into it, like this video. But once those are in there, then I will send you the link for the guide. They send us a few pages of the guide that you can have now so that you can begin to look through that until it gets here from the printer. It is being shipped Monday, so pray maybe we're in that first round of shipping and we'll get ours in soon.